I'm making a video.
We're on this side. Uh-oh, he's falling apart.
Go help her, Daddy.
Oh, let's
Just set
do
it back up tall.
Let's do it. Do it. Do it.
Yay!
Oh, this could be tragic.
Yeah, I had left a little more room on the other side there.
Yeah, I will once you go again, but okay. You gave it a right good try, little girl. Give it a try. Yay! Slide where? Whoa! Go, kitty! Or you could go the side way, you know.
She always goes up the slide at the park.
And unfortunately, side and slide sound similar.
She
And
did
they're
it.
right.
You taking a break?
It's a nice throne that you can slide out of. Whoa!
Daddy's gonna have to set it back up for you, I think. You could probably put the other pillow underneath there.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, we found something new.
Yeah, that may be even more exciting.
Kitty, turn around and jump. Look at Mama. Yay!
Jump! Jump! It's like she's lost horizontal hold. Boing! Boing! Jump! Jump! Jump!
Oh wow, your feet actually left the chair that time.
Jump, jump, jump! Well, that's more of a climb down, but it was nice to see the feet bouncing.
Set it up higher for her. Set it up higher for her. The angle.
Oh. Slide. Slide. Oh. Whoa!
Oh, that's a challenge. Can you do it?
That's tenacity.
Especially without your legs from her shots today. Kitty, go around. Oh, wait. Oh, you did it.
Gee, I wonder where she gets that "you can't tell me how to do it" attitude. That's Yay! Yay, yay, yay! Jump! 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 And dance. And now slide. Slide. Now get yourself good and tired. Yay, dancing!
Alright, Kitty, turn around and say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Can you blow kisses? Kitty. Look at Mama.
Or maybe another slide.
All right. And yes.
Yes.
Blow kisses. Mwah. No, there's no baby because you walked around. Oh, your daddy hand.
Ring, ring.